So you just downloaded the mini brush set and you're probably wondering, how the heck do I use these? I'm going to show you in this video.
So let's draw a little lemon. I'm going to start off with my sketch brush and just create a little shape right here. Now I'm going to create a new layer on top of this one and lower the opacity of my sketch layer. So I'll lower it about halfway. Then I'm going to select my outline brush and choose the color that I want. And I'm just simply going to trace the areas that I've created here. I'm going to be sure to make a new layer for different colors. So for the leaves, I've created a new layer. Now let's fill it in. Now we can get rid of our sketch layer. You don't always have to use every single one of the brushes every time, but I am gonna show you guys what I would do if I was trying to do that.
I'm going to create what's called a clipping mask by creating a new layer on top of the yellow layer, tabbing it once and selecting clipping mask. Then I'm going to open up that color block brush and just start filling in areas of color. The clipping mask is going to keep whatever I draw inside the lines of the yellow layer.
And then I'm going to come over to my effects panel and select Gaussian blur.
Then I'm going to simply move my pencil from left to right to adjust how blurred I want these colors. Now I'm going to use the blend brush to add a little bit of shading to these leaves. Just like I did with the lemon, I'm going to create a clipping mask above the leaves. Then I'm going to select a dark color and gently run the blend brush on the surface of the leaves, just gently touching it to create some soft shading. Then I'm going to go in and do the same thing to the lemon. The last thing to do is to create some texture. So I'll create a new layer and use the illustration and the noise brushes to create some really nice texture in this lemon.
And there you have it, folks. That is how you use the mini brush pack. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if y'all have any questions.